You just looked over at your Echo and noticed it glowing a color you have not seen before. Maybe it is red. Maybe it is yellow or spinning green. And you are wondering, is something wrong? Should I be worried? The answer depends entirely on which color you are seeing. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what every Alexa light ring color means and how to fix the ones that actually need fixing. Why does Alexa even use a light ring in the first place? Because it is a voice-first device without a screen. The ring is how your Echo communicates back to you visually. It tells you when it is listening, when it has a message, when there is a problem with your connection, or when someone is calling. Learning these colors takes about 10 minutes. Once you know them, you will never be confused by your Echo again. Let us go through every color one at a time, starting with the most common. Solid blue with a spot of cyan is the color you see the most often. This means Alexa is actively listening to you. You said the wake word, Alexa heard you, and the device is waiting for your command. When the blue light rotates or spins around the ring, that means Alexa is processing what you said and working on a response. The first time your Echo powers on, you will also see a solid blue ring that slowly transitions to orange. That is startup mode. It takes about 60 seconds. The device is booting up and getting ready to enter Wi-Fi setup. There is nothing to fix. Blue is always a healthy color, and the only time you should worry about it is if the ring stays solid blue for more than 2 or 3 minutes after a restart. In that rare case, unplug the device for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Cyan almost always appears with blue, not on its own. When you see the blue and cyan combination, it is just Alexa confirming it heard your wake word. A quick cyan flash after you speak means the interaction is complete and the device is going back to standby. You do not need to do anything. Now here is the color that worries people the most, and it almost never means what you think it does. Red. A solid red ring on your Echo means your microphone is muted. It is not broken. It is not a warning. Nothing is wrong with the device. Someone either pressed the microphone button on top of the Echo, or a smart home routine turned the mic off as part of a schedule. To fix it, just press the microphone button on top of the device one more time. The red ring will disappear and Alexa will start listening again immediately. There is one other, much rarer case where you might see red. If your Echo cannot connect to the internet, the ring can sometimes flash red briefly during setup or right after a router reboot. If that happens, first check that your Wi-Fi network is actually up on your phone. Then restart your router. If the red flash keeps happening after that, unplug your Echo for 30 seconds and plug it back in. But 9 times out of 10, red means mute. One button press solves it. A pulsing yellow ring means you have a message, a notification, or a reminder waiting in the Alexa app. It is not urgent and nothing is wrong with the device. Just say, Alexa, what are my messages? Or Alexa, what are my notifications? And the device will read everything out to you. Once you have heard them, the yellow light turns off on its own. If the yellow ring keeps coming back even after you dismiss it, open the Alexa app on your phone, tap the activity icon at the bottom, and clear out any old notifications sitting in the feed. Occasionally, a stuck Amazon package update or an expired reminder keeps the ring pulsing. Clearing the feed fully resets it. Green is the social color. Green means someone is trying to reach you or you are currently on a call. A spinning green ring means there is an incoming call coming in or that a family member is trying to drop in on your Echo. A solid or pulsing green ring means you are in an active call or drop-in session right now and the other person can hear you. If you do not want people dropping in on your Echo at random, you can turn that feature off completely in the Alexa app. Go to the Communicate tab, tap the person icon in the upper right, then drop in and set it to off, or limit it to specific trusted contacts only. After that, the green ring will only appear for calls you actually want to receive. Purple or violet is the color most people get confused by. And it actually has two completely different meanings depending on when you see it. A single purple flash right after you speak a command means "Do Not Disturb" is turned on. Alexa still heard you, but the device will not notify you of anything, and it will not ring for calls. You probably turned this on earlier in the day and forgot about it. To turn it off, just say, "Alexa, turn off Do Not Disturb." Or open the Alexa app, go into the device settings for your specific Echo, scroll down to Do Not Disturb, and toggle it off manually. You can also schedule Do Not Disturb to turn on and off automatically at specific times of day, which is useful if you want the device to stay quiet overnight without having to remember to toggle it. The second time you might see purple is during Wi-Fi setup. If the setup process runs into trouble connecting to your network, the ring will pulse purple. When that happens, the fix is almost always to restart the setup from scratch in the Alexa app. Purple during setup usually points to a wrong Wi-Fi password, a network name with special characters the device does not handle well, or a router that is blocking the connection. A spinning orange ring means your Echo is in setup mode and actively trying to connect to your Wi-Fi network. If this is a brand new Echo or one you just reset, this is exactly what you should see. Open the Alexa app on your phone, tap Devices at the bottom, tap the plus icon in the upper right, and follow the steps to connect it to your Wi-Fi. If your Echo is stuck on orange and will not move past it, a few things could be going wrong. Your Wi-Fi password might be entered incorrectly in the app. Your router might be on a frequency the Echo does not support, which is usually an issue on newer mesh networks. Or the Echo itself might need a factory reset. To reset it, hold the action button on top of the device for about 25 seconds until the ring turns solid orange again, then start setup fresh from the Alexa app. White is the quietest color on the ring, in both senses of the word. A solid white ring usually appears when you are adjusting the volume. Turn the volume up or down, and the ring will display white as a visual indicator of the current level. Nothing is wrong. A pulsing white ring that stays on after a command means brief mode is turned on. In brief mode, Alexa replies to your requests with a short confirmation tone instead of saying "OK" or confirming out loud. Some people love it. Some people find it confusing. To turn it off, open the Alexa app, go to More, then Settings, then Voice Responses, and toggle brief mode off. Let us recap everything quickly so you have it all in one place. Blue means Alexa is listening or thinking. Cyan confirms the wake word was heard. Red means your microphone is muted, and one press of the mic button fixes it. Yellow means you have a message waiting. Just ask Alexa what it is. Green means someone is calling or you are already on a call. Purple means Do Not Disturb is on or there is a Wi-Fi setup issue. Orange means setup mode or connecting to Wi-Fi. White means the volume is being adjusted or brief mode is active. Most Alexa light ring problems are not actually problems at all. They are just the device telling you what it is doing at that moment. Once you know the language, you can solve almost anything in under a minute. If you want a deeper walkthrough on any specific color, with photos, exact button locations, and fixes for the weirder edge cases that do not come up very often, head over to smarthomeperfected.com. We have full guides on every single Alexa light ring color, along with hundreds of other smart home troubleshooting articles. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, a like on this video and a subscribe to the channel really does make a difference. I will see you in the next one.